Gondor Skewer Machine. Intelligent control panel, one-button operation, simple and worry-free. High strength and safety nylon material. Strong toughness and wear resistance. Precise sign control. Reduce the error of signing out. Water and oil separation. Reduce machine wear. Put on the materials. Wear and cut materials. Threaded meat skewers. Cross-threading uniformity standard. Mold can be replaced. For production of different food. Wide range of applications. Factory panoramic view. Workshop. Exhibition hall 5,000 square meters. Packaging shipping.